A very good evening. This is Abigail R. Carmelim bringing you the Salesian news across the globe.
Hello and welcome to the 196th episode of Salesian News Asia Pacific. I'm your host RJ Brand of Radio Salesian 90.8 FM, the voice of the hills, the first community radio of Don Bosco Asia since 2016. This show is brought to you by Church Art Kolkata, the church decor people. The headlines this week. Civic body marks golden work for vulnerable children. 34 philosophy students graduate. Students distribute gifts, clothes in Rohingya camp. Muslim students cherish Bosconian dreams. Youth build synodal church through sports. The news in detail. India's civic body marks golden work for vulnerable children. Cleric Jason Jerome reports from Kochi.
Southern Indian Kochi city witnessed the gathering of an array of dignitaries for the commencement of Golden Jubilee of Don Bosco Sneha Bhavan on 26th January 2024. Besides Salesian superiors present at the function were Mayor of Kochi, Member of Legislative Assembly of Kochi, Chairperson for Education and Sports Standing Committee of the Corporation of Kochi, and Standing Committee Chairperson for Welfare. The Golden Jubilee celebration not only marks the institution's rich history, but also emphasized its ongoing commitment to the welfare of vulnerable children and youth at risk.
Cleric Jason Jerome reporting. In the heart of every dream lies the power to inspire. Introducing a timeless masterpiece that captures the essence of a visionary's dream. Behold the embodiment of Don Bosco's dream at 9 years of age, a symbol of hope, compassion, and the unwavering spirit to make a difference. Transform any space into a sanctuary of inspiration with our exquisite statues and murals. Perfect for schools, churches, and community centers, a constant reminder of the power of dreams. Church Art Kolkata, the church decor people. churchart.ganguly@gmail.com 919831020945. East Timor 34 philosophy students graduate. Father Jolino Vieira reports from Delhi.
The St. Francis de Sales Philosophical Institute awarded certificates to 34 students who completed their studies. The students belonging to different religious congregations and some lay people received their certificates as part of a ceremony held at the Don Bosco Gymnasium in Khubor, Delhi. Superior of East Timor Province, Father Manuel Pinto and Dean of the Institute congratulated the new graduates for their commitment and spirit of sacrifice. Eminent personalities attending the ceremony were Minister of Higher Education, Science and Culture, the Honorary Jose Honorio da Costa Ferreira Geronimo, President of the National Agency for Academic Assessment and Accreditation, Ambassador of the Republic of the Philippines to East Timor, representatives of the Salesian family and of the various higher institutes in Delhi, and the superiors of various religious congregations in Delhi.
Father Jolino Vieira reporting. Nepal students distribute gifts and clothes in Rohingya camp. Father Augusti Pulikal reports from Kathmandu.
Recently, a group of 5th graders of Nepal Don Bosco School, Siddipur, Lubu, visited the settlement of the Rohingya refugees in Lalitpur district of Kathmandu. 88 Muslim families living there were driven out of Myanmar 12 years ago. They now live under great stress since the stoppage of the monthly support by United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees. The students met some of the people of the settlement and listened to their story of moving from place to place. The students distributed food packets, warm clothes, and scores of bundles of clothes for women, children, and men that the students had gathered during this Christmas season. Nepal Donbosco Society and several NGOs and people of goodwill continue to help them with food provisions, clothes, shelter materials, sanitation materials, and so on.
Father Augusti Pulikal reporting. Indonesia Muslim students cherish Bosconian dreams. Father John Laba reports from Tigaraksa in Java.
The Salesians of Don Bosco in Tigaraksa community, located in Tangerang Regency, Indonesia, has a training center called Balai Latihan Kerja Salesian Don Bosco, with some 150 students and teaching staff, both 95% Muslim. It is unique to see Muslim youth wearing headscarf and claiming themselves to be Bosconian youth. For them, Don Bosco is a great man and a good person who is loyal to helping the small, weak, poor, marginalized, and disabled young people in the world. The annual celebration for students and alumni is held every first week of February. Director of the training center, Father Advent Franciscus, explained the Rector's Major Strena, the dream that makes you dream. The Don Bosco's Day event was filled with modern and traditional dance, drama, games, and live music, attracting hundreds of students and alumni.
Father John Laba reporting. India youth build synodal church through sports. Father Joseph Vanga reports from Hyderabad.
Don Bosco Shrine, Bandlagoda, Jagur, Hyderabad, organized a day of sports and games for the youth of Archdiocese of Hyderabad on 10th February 2024. Some 300 youth from 18 parishes participated. Competitions for various age categories in badminton, football, table tennis, throwball, and volleyball were organized. The introductory and concluding gathering focused on imparting to the youth the Don Bosco's participatory and collaborative lifestyle in the church and in the society. Trophies and certificates were distributed to the winners. The event was coordinated and organized by youth and youth leaders of Don Bosco Shrine, Hyderabad.
Father Joseph Vanga reporting.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.